Another MV. So we're deep undercover. We infiltrated a Ducati gang. Man, Brandon gets after it on that Hyper. Look at that lineup right there. What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. It's another beautiful early morning here in Dallas, Texas. We're headed up to another bike meet. This is becoming a ritual for us. Alright, we're pulling up. Let's see what kind of turnout we got this time. Not bad. Let's get the good little walkthrough here real quick. I think that's Chris's bike. There's Brandon's bike right there. Ducati Hypermotard. Another MV, look at that. Sweet. Get gloved up real quick here, then we're going to roll out with a couple Ducati Hypermotards. Alright, so we're deep undercover. We infiltrated a Ducati gang. We got two Hypermotards and a Diavel. So we're headed to the shop club. I guess these guys are wanting to catch a MotoGP race and have a little bit of brunch, and they invited me out, so I decided to go ahead and roll with them. Like some brand new asphalt right here. Man, Brenda gets after it on that Hyper. I like it. He's playing up there. Hell yeah. Get the swerve on.
Fucking sail.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, does the truck work for you or no?
Kinda. I have to get real face on top of it.
You're fighting it the whole way here.
Yeah.
So when I get into the
comfortable, right? No, I mean it's still fun.
When I get into the truck, dude, that thing will be at like 90 to 95.
Look at that lineup right there. Pretty sweet. All right, so we're back in my garage after a Sunday filled with lots of bike-related fun. Went out to the Bikes and Coffee meetup in Frisco at the Star, and then headed with a few guys over to the Shop Clubs Dallas, watched some MotoGP with those guys. That was pretty cool and fun. We had a little bit of breakfast, and then we actually walked through and toured the facility and looked at some of the bikes that they have stored there, as well as some of the supercars that are owned by various people that live here in the DFW metro area. Had a good time, had to go undercover there a little bit. I was rolling with all Ducatis. We were out there with 2 Hypermotards and then one guy in a Ducati Diavel, but had a great time out there. I'm completely worn out from the day and from riding around, so I'm gonna go get cleaned up and showered up and relax for the rest of my day off. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.